If you try sending large video file to someone through WhatsApp and you are told that the file has exceeded 32 megabytes and it can be sent, all right, this video walks you through on how to do that. But first, let me just give you an example of what I'm talking about. So I will type WhatsApp and then open the app. So once the app opens, just click on the contact you want to send the file to. So let's see, I'll click on plus and I'll select photos and videos. I'm using WhatsApp for Windows right now, okay? So I will get a video that is more than 32 megabytes, which is this. I'll try opening. Then you can see, all right, because it's larger than 32 megabyte limit, so I can't send it. So let me now tell you how you can solve this problem. So the step you need to take here is to upload the video file on Google Drive or OneDrive, because most people have Gmail. So once you have Gmail account, automatically you have Google Drive. All right, so I'll open my web browser, Chrome here. So I'll visit gmail.com and log in. So here am I on my inbox, all right? So open a new tab. You can do this on your phone as well, okay? Then visit drive.google.com. You can see the web link here, drive.google.com. Press enter. So once you're here, click on My Drive. All right, once you're on this My Drive, you have to upload that video here. So I'll click on New and select File Upload. So navigate to the video you want to send. So here is the downloads. All right, so look at this particular video here. Let's work with this. This is 75 megabytes. So I'll click on this solve mathematics problem with Google Gemini. So I'll click on it and click on open. So wait for it to upload. All right, the file is done uploading in this case. So let me get to it where it is. You can see it here. So once you upload the file here, the next step you need to take is to click on it. Click on this share icon. All right. This kind of page will open. The next step is to click on this restricted section and click on anyone with the link. Okay. So this will give the person access to download this video freely. All right. And even send it to more people if he wants to do so. Then after that, click on copy link. Once the link is copied, click on done. So let's get back to WhatsApp. So I'm on WhatsApp right now and this is the contacts I want to send this to. I'll click inside this area, right click and select the paste option. All right. Then you can see this link has been sent, have been pasted here. So the next step is to click on the send icon. This link has been sent to him right now. So he needs to click on it to be able to view this video and if possible, download it. So let me get to the device, to the person's WhatsApp because I have access to it, and let's do this practically. Look at that drive there. So the drive link, I will tap on my name. Okay, so the next step is to tap on that Google Drive link. Okay, you can see the video here. It has opened and it played a little. So the next step is that you can keep playing it or you may decide to download it. For you to download it, tap on the three dots at the top. We see some options and one of them is download. If you consider this video helpful, just consider subscribing. See you some other time.